Let's see how to make a sheet composition in StruBIM Steel. To do this, we go to the Documents tab in the program's General Interface and click on the Composition option in the Sheets group of the top toolbar. This will open the Edit Sheets window. On the left-hand side, in the Sheets section, the program displays all the previously generated sheets, whether they are parts, assemblies, connections, or model views. From here, if desired, we can select and modify any of these sheets as if we had accessed each of them independently. We can also make a composition that incorporates information from different parts, assemblies, connections, or model views on the same sheet. To do this, we click on the New Sheet option available in this section. After entering the reference of the sheet, we select the first option in the drop-down menu, Model, which doesn't refer to any element in particular. Next, we choose the group of sheets in which the composition sheet will be stored, or we create a new sheet set using the button on the right. We select the format and, if necessary, the template and the template layer and click on Accept. Now we can add information to the sheet using the options available in the top toolbar. One possibility is to use the Link option in the Drawing Elements group. This allows you to display the content of another previously created sheet on the selected sheet. Clicking on the option opens a window where we can select the drawing to be inserted. Here, a list appears with the name of the model shown in each sheet, the name of the sheet, and the group to which it belongs, as well as an indication of whether it is already linked to the current drawing. A preview of the sheet is provided on the right. After selecting the desired sheet and clicking Accept, we move the mouse to place the link and press the left mouse button to insert it. Automatically, the sheet selection window opens again so that other links to the same sheet can be inserted consecutively. This makes it possible to generate compositions that include, for example, the graphical description of an assembly and its parts on the same sheet, or a view of the model and the details of several connections. Once we have finished, we cancel or close the sheet selection window to end the operation. A link may already incorporate the template with the information of the box. If this is not the case and a template has not been generated previously, we can insert a template in the composition sheet from the corresponding option in the Templates group in the top toolbar. To modify the information shown in a link, we select the Edit option in the Edit tool group and then click on the link with the left mouse button. This way, the program selects and displays the original sheet where we can make the desired changes. To return to the composition sheet, we search for it in the Sheets browser on the left-hand side and click on it. We can also generate a set of links to other sheets automatically. To do this, we use the Sheet Composition option in the top toolbar. In the window that appears after clicking on this option, we configure the generation options. To do this, we indicate whether the generation of the links should be carried out in the currently selected sheet or in a group of sheets. Then, we indicate the format and the initial reference for new sheets. The table below presents a list of the available sheets in the project, including the name of the model shown on each sheet, the name of the sheet, and the group to which it belongs. Here, we check the boxes on the left to indicate the sheets we want to insert in the new composition. On the right, as before, a preview of each selected sheet is shown. After clicking on Accept, the program will generate the links to the selected sheets and will automatically position them on the plan in the form of a mosaic.